Okay, so the second practice question asks you which equation represents h of x, the graph of f of x equals absolute value of x, translated 6 units down. So it's a vertical shift. This time it's shifting down. In practice question number 1, it was shifting up. This time it's shifting down. So let's go back to our graph. And since it's 6 units, I'm going to replace this with 6. Okay, so we have our parent function in red, the original function. It looks like this, goes to the point 0. Now you can see here the graph of absolute value of x plus 6 is shifted up by 6 units, and the graph that's minus 6, subtract 6, is shifted down by 6 units. So let's go back to the question. So I know that it has to be shifted 6 units down. So I know it's going to be subtract or minus 6. So this would be the correct answer. Hope that helps.